Goal this new year to find new hotpot places to try and sakto may bago dito sa BGC na more upscale, not only pero mukhang promising. Let's go! We're here at City Hotpot, nice yung place and may pagka-luxurious yung vibe. May malaking sauce bar where you can grab your sides and pre-made sauce. Nice rin na may recipe recommendations if you want to make your own. Ang saya ng option to have up to 4 soup bases and in fairness, everything was good, especially the bone broth and wild mushroom. Sa meats naman, must get yung Wagyu Prime short ribs and Black Angus rib eye. Medyo may kamahalan lang pero grabe, sobrang premium kasi talaga eh. Cindy cut pero hindi yung tipong nadudurog na once maluto. Sobrang tender and sakto yung ratio ng fat, tapos mas na-elevate pa ng dipping sauce nila. Ang sarap ng pagkakagawa nito. Sweet, savory, peanutty, and medyo spicy. Sabi ko mamaya na ako magra-rice pero hindi ko talaga napigilan. We also got this fresh seafood platter. Addict kami sa mushroom so hindi pwedeng mawala and tried some of their balls as well. Guys, wala talaga akong masabing hindi maganda kasi everything tasted premium. Even